is a complex network of systems working together to maintain life and good health. Each system performs a specific task in your body and depends on the other systems to do their jobs. Any changes or health problems in one system will impact the other systems because they are all interconnected. Let's take a look at the individual systems of the human body and their functions. The most visible system of your body is the integumentary system. The integumentary system is the outer layer of the body that includes the skin and sweat glands, hair, and fingernails. The integumentary system provides a protective covering for the body, defending it from pathogens like viruses and bacteria and other harmful agents in the environment. The skin, particularly the sweat glands, help your body to maintain a fairly constant internal temperature and also provides a way for your body to rid itself of certain waste products and toxins through sweat. Just under the skin are the muscles that allow you to move about. These voluntary muscles, combined with the involuntary muscles of your internal organs, make up the muscular system. 3 types of muscle compose the muscular system: skeletal muscles, which are voluntary, and cardiac and smooth muscles, which are involuntary. Cardiac muscle is found only in the heart, while smooth muscle lines many of your internal organs. Smooth muscle, for example, helps to push food through your digestive tract. Muscles are attached to and supported by the skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones, plus the softer connective tissue called cartilage. Your nose and ears, for example, are made of cartilage. The skeletal system gives the body its basic shape and, together with the muscular system, allows for movement. The respiratory system is responsible for exchanging gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide between your body and the environment. This system includes the nose, mouth, trachea, and lungs. The respiratory system allows your body to breathe in and absorb oxygen through your lungs. You release carbon dioxide as you exhale. The digestive system is made up of the mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, and other organs like the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. It is the responsibility of the digestive system to break down food, absorb the nutrients used to fuel every cell of your body, and get rid of solid waste. The endocrine system is the network of glands around your body that secrete hormones or chemical messengers. Hormones regulate many of your body functions, from maintaining blood sugar levels to initiating the changes of puberty. Some examples of endocrine glands include the pituitary gland in the brain and the thyroid gland in the throat. Even some organs act as endocrine glands, like the pancreas, which produces the hormone insulin, the ovaries that produce estrogen in females, and the testes that produce testosterone in males. The circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. You can think of the circulatory system as the transportation system of your body. It is the job of the circulatory system to transport materials all around the body. Nutrients taken in by the digestive system, hormones produced by the endocrine system, and gases exchanged by the respiratory system are all transported in the blood by the circulatory system. By bringing blood to each and every cell of the body, the circulatory system ensures that each cell gets the materials it needs for survival. These cells also produce waste products as they conduct their daily activities. These waste products must be removed or excreted from the body, or they could reach toxic levels. The cells deposit their waste products into the blood. The circulatory system then transports that blood to the kidneys, which filter and clean the blood. The kidneys are part of the excretory system, along with the bladder and the urethra or pee tube. The excretory system is responsible for removing waste and toxins from the blood and releasing them as urine. The nervous system helps to coordinate the activities of all the other systems. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and the vast network of peripheral nerves that extend around your body. The nervous system has the job of sensing internal and external stimuli or signals, deciding what to do about them, and sending response signals to the appropriate part of the body. The immune system is responsible for protecting all the other body systems from infection. If a bacterium or virus finds its way into the body, the immune system launches a defense, fighting germs and the diseases they cause. The reproductive system is different in males and females, but its job in either case is the same: making a new human being. In males, the reproductive system consists of the testes, vas deferens, penis, and a number of glands including the prostate and bulbourethral gland and the seminal vesicles. The primary job of the male reproductive system is to produce sperm capable of fertilizing a female egg. Once a male has gone through puberty, sperm are produced in the testes. During ejaculation, sperm travel through the vas deferens to the urethra inside the penis. The prostate and bulbourethral glands and the seminal vesicles produce the fluid in which the sperm swim, known as semen. The penis is responsible for depositing semen into the female reproductive system in order to achieve fertilization. The female reproductive system is composed of the ovaries, fallopian or uterine tubes, uterus or womb, and the vagina. It performs a couple of jobs. First, the female reproductive system is responsible for producing eggs capable of being fertilized by sperm. Secondly, it is responsible for housing and nurturing the developing baby until it is ready to be born. Once a female has gone through puberty, she will usually release one egg each month from one of her ovaries. The process of releasing an egg is called ovulation. The ovaries usually take turns ovulating each month. If the egg does not get fertilized by sperm, it will be dispelled from the body along with uterine blood, mucus, and tissue through the vagina during menstruation. Menstruation usually occurs about once per month. If a woman has sexual intercourse around the time of ovulation, she may become pregnant. Sperm deposited in the vagina during intercourse swim up through the uterus and into the fallopian tube to find the egg or ovum. The development of a new baby begins in the fallopian tube with fertilization or conception, the moment a male sperm penetrates the female egg. At this point, a woman will not even know she is pregnant, but she is about to embark upon a journey that will last about 9 months long. The 9 months of pregnancy are divided up into 3 trimesters, each about 3 months long. The first trimester begins with the fusion of sperm and egg. Not long after conception, the fertilized egg or zygote begins to divide as it travels down the fallopian tube into the uterus. About 1 week after fertilization, the ball of cells, or embryo as it is now called, will implant itself into the wall of the uterus. The first trimester is a critical period for the developing baby. During this time, the baby progresses from embryo to fetus. All the major organs and body systems we have just discussed have begun their formation. The placenta and umbilical cord, which connect the baby to mother and provide the baby with oxygen and nourishment, are now completely formed. Because there is so much development occurring during the first trimester, it is vital for the mother to pay extra special attention to her diet and activities. A pregnant woman should strive for a balanced diet of protein, vegetables, complex carbohydrates, dairy products, and the healthy, unsaturated fats found in fruits, vegetables, oils, and fish. She should strongly consider a prenatal vitamin with folic acid and omega-3 fatty acids, which help with nervous system development. A pregnant woman should also cut out alcohol and cigarette smoking and keep caffeine intake to a minimum. Recreational drugs have the potential to cause serious problems like miscarriage, premature delivery, and brain damage in the baby and should be completely avoided during pregnancy. The second trimester includes months 4, 5, and 6 of the pregnancy. It is a time of dramatic growth and continued development. The sex organs will develop enough that the gender of the baby can be determined in an ultrasound. Eyes and ears are developed enough that the baby can begin sensing the world around it. Hair and fingernails begin to grow, and the baby begins to deposit a layer of fat under its skin. During the second trimester, the baby becomes big and strong enough that the mother will be able to feel its movements inside her uterus. The third and final trimester lasts from the 7th month up until the birth of the baby after about 9 months. During the third trimester, the baby's body systems are maturing to prepare for life outside the womb. The baby can gain anywhere from a half a pound to as much as 1 pound per week in the third trimester. At this point, the mother may experience more fatigue and discomfort, especially back pain. After 9 months of gestation, it will be time to deliver the baby. Labor occurs in 3 phases. During the first phase of labor, a woman's uterus begins to contract. The contractions help to push the baby downwards towards the vagina or birth canal. The cervix, the opening of the uterus, thins and dilates. During this time, the amniotic sac may rupture, releasing the amniotic fluid. This is commonly known as the water breaking. The second phase of labor begins after the cervix reaches full dilation at 10 centimeters. This is the pushing phase, during which the baby will be delivered. After the baby is delivered, the third phase of labor occurs as the placenta, or afterbirth, is delivered. When all is said and done, the majority of pregnancies end with a healthy baby and mother. It's quite remarkable what can be accomplished by the reproductive system, creating an entirely new life complete with all the organs and body systems necessary for survival. The organ systems in a new baby will interact just as they do in your body. All the body systems work in harmony to ensure good health. It's important to respect and take care of your body so the systems can continue working together and last throughout your lifetime.